Hey guys, I'm back in Minecraft. Today we are going to check out something awesome. I'm not going to show it to you right now. But yeah, I changed skins. If you didn't, sneak peek. If you didn't notice, I changed skins. And I'm about to reveal the secret. 3, 2, 1. And here it is. It's nighttime. I don't know what to say. I'll be back. Well, still waiting. Taking forever. Still waiting. Finally. Let's watch sunrise together, people. Ba 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 ba. Sorry, I just did that because my friend is a huge fan of Star Wars. This. What? What? That's so soothing. Shh! Trying to watch the sunrise. Alright. Now let's turn our difficulty up so we can get some hunger. I'll tell you why in a second. Alright. So what we're doing here today is, well, this is a vending machine. Yeah, vending machine. This would be made by Delicious Jam. I'm sorry I couldn't come up with a better one. There's this, buddy, you need to have your YouTube channel in the side. Whatever. So this is where you put coins in here, and this is what you get extra. I've tried it myself before. A few kinks on the extra part, but you start off with 63 coins. Okay, let's get to it. And then we press the button, and then it opens our options. I put $2 in it so I could get. Hey, no. Wait. Okay. So what this does is I can buy either 2 pork chops or 2 chickens, or I can buy 1 steak or 1 rabbit. I'm gonna buy a rabbit. I'm pretty hungry. And then dispenses here. You grab it, and then if you're the owner of this, whichever is your host of your world, you come down here, which gets you the money, and come back out. Nobody goes in here. Probably might want to break that sign. And then you put back the money. I haven't seen the redstone of this. It must be massive. Oh my gosh! There's more redstone I could find in a regular Minecraft world. Oh. So this is the back. If I fall down, I'm gonna be lost. It's like, yeah, oh. But no, really. I'm rich! I'm rich! Oh. If you see this video in a later version Minecraft, I'm playing in 15.0. And this map is good for 15.10. This is my current version 15.10. So yeah. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe today. I'm sorry guys, I'm really tired. But yeah. Go check out this guy's channel and my channel. Yeah. So please remember to like this video, comment down below if you liked it, then just say it. But thank you guys for a lot of support in my last videos. And as always, goodbye. Bye. I am lonely. Oh yeah. If you guys want to play with me, in Minecraft on Pocket Edition, then just comment down below your gamer tag, and I'll play with you as long as you want. Unless it's like really late, I can't get to you. But in that note, I'll see you all in the next. I will see you guys all in the next video. Can't talk right now. See you all in the next video. Goodbye.